Hello everyone. Today I'm excited again. I received a new order. There was a BOGO week a few weeks ago in the US, and it's a great opportunity to buy some product and to get one product free for each product you're buying. So I decided to get the BOGO box with all the promotion products included. And before jumping to that, I added to my order some deodorants for my kids. They have the citrus bloom one and the balance one. Citrus bloom, it's like smell like in the spring when all the flowers come to life, and it's very nice. I love the smell of it. And balance is the grounding brown, and it calms emotions and anxious feelings. So it's a great start of the day for everyone a bit stressed. And I also added to my order because I really want to try it, the mud mask. I've been told it's amazing, and you just have to wait to remove it when they say, otherwise it's really hard, but I can't wait to try it. So now let's go back to the BOGO box. What's inside? Ooh, lots of goodies. So we have adaptive roller. So adaptive is an amazing blend for emotion, calming, and to adapt to any new situation. That's why it has its name. So it's ready to use, already diluted in coconut oil. So you just have to pop it wherever you want, and ready to go to be happy. Woo! I have some helichrysum touch. So same thing, it's diluted. So ready to use. And helichrysum, it's really nice to have it in your first aid kit, because it's can stop bleedings when you hurt yourself, and it's also very good on any hurt or anything. So nice, very nice one. What else? Yes, some lavender. I love lavender oil. So same thing, right in a first aid kit for the skin or any cuts or bruise you make, and it's great as well for if you've been bitten by insect. And and I love to diffuse it at night to calm down and get ready to sleep. What else? We have some peppermint, also great in your first aid kit. That it's if you get hurt, its cooling effect is really helping down with the pain. It's amazing for digestion, and it's refreshing. So I love to have it, in fact, in my glass of water when it's been too warm here in Dubai. After a day outside, drop in my glass of water, and it's helping me to cool down and avoid a bit of heat stroke. There was also breeze in that BOGO box. So breeze is great to open the airways and make you breathe easier. So especially in winter, when the weather gets bad and you get cold, or flu or something like that, it really supports you. We have wintergreen. Oh, that's an amazing one. That's for all the athletes out there. So it's good for muscle, joints, and anything that is painful, and it has a very nice aroma. Then I got some On Guard. So that's again good for immunity. You can diffuse it or rub it on the sole of your feet. It's really a good one. It's an amazing box. And Copaiba. Oh, I love Copaiba. I discovered it thanks to my good friend Nella, and now it's part of my daily routine. It's helped me to sleep wonderful nights. So it's calmed the nervous system. And I strongly recommend you, if you have issues with sleeping, to get some of this. It's amazing. Oh, I'm excited by this one. This is rose and touch. So same thing, it's diluted, ready to use, and rose is amazing. It's like if you had some fresh flower in your home, and it's amazing for the skin, for the wrinkles and anti-aging. You just have to apply on the skin, rub it a bit, and you look beautiful and happy because it smells so good. So I love that one. We have some Arbor Vitae. So this one I quite don't know. So it would be good to make some research and discover what it's for. Oops, I made a mess. Let's see how it smells. Yeah, it's a bit strange, but it's nice. I wouldn't be able to describe it. It's like earthy smell, but I'll investigate. And maybe I'll make a post on it, so I'll let you know. Yeah, I got some Clary Calm for my daughter as well. So this is for women, for monthly blends. So let's see how it goes. And then there are some On Guard soft gels. So same thing to promote immunity. And turmeric, so you all know the virtue of turmeric as an anti-inflammatory, and it's all good for your body. So doTERRA has made some capsules with it. So there's on one side of the capsule there's the extract, on the other side there's the essential oil, and both types of turmeric, they are to potentialize the effects of each other. So it makes it a very good supplement if you need in need of turmeric. And that's it. That was a really good order. I loved it. So I hope you'll jump like me on the next BOGO, because it's really a good deal. I just pay for half of the product, and yeah, I got all the rest for free. So yeah, that's great. Well, it's over for now, and I hope to see you soon on my Instagram. Bye bye.